In this video, we're going to talk about Gino Wickman's book, Traction, and where your company might lose traction growing in 2025. We'll reveal the clog in your wheel that might be keeping you from reaching your 2025 repeat client goal. Stick around and find out what you might be missing that could give you the traction you need next year, 2025, to hit your repeat client goal. Hi, I'm Sharon Tinberg, founder of CleanSmart Academy, where we turn regular people into extraordinary cleaners. In 2012, Gino Wickman posed a profound question in his book, Traction. Do you have a grip on your business, or does your business have a grip on you? It's a question that's just as relevant today, especially for cleaning business owners like you and startup companies like me. I've seen this firsthand. If I bring up a marketing statement and make an off-the-wall statement, which I sometimes can do when it comes to technology, I'll have 10 owners at the table correcting me and it's explaining what I said wrong in every little detail, even though they have people in their company that run marketing. But when I ask about their cleaning processes, the response is completely different. They'll say things like, "Don't ask me, that's my trainer's job," or "my operation managers," or "my admin staff." The owner isn't involved in the cleaning at all. And that's okay, but someone needs to be. And someone needs to be leading those that are engaged in it. And another problem is, in many companies, no one is truly dedicated to overseeing the cleaning process. That's where the wheels lose their traction and can even fall off. What if you gave your cleaners a roadmap, a documented process to follow step by step? Imagine every cleaner in your company cleaning exactly the same way every time. No more complaints, no more guessing if your process is perfect. Just a perfect clean every visit. If it's time to give your cleaning process some traction, start by identifying what a perfect clean looks like in your business. Document the steps and make sure every cleaner knows exactly what to do from the start to the finish, and then check and make sure they're following it. At CleanSmart Academy, we believe that a documented cleaning process isn't just a nice to have. It's essential for building trust with your clients and growing your business. Let's put your cleaners on the road to success. Until next time, happy cleaning.